Oh.
Okay na?
Oo.
So, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, for today's video is we're going to put the signal light of my scooter. So, as you can see, this is the signal light. There have a 4. And also, we need to take the extension wire. Because this is a little bit wire. And then they have only 2 wires. So, we're going to put this kind of signal light from here, from monorim. So first, we need to drill here the monorim to have a hole to put this kind of signal light. So let's go and let's drill first. Alright guys, so first we need to drill first to have a hole to put this kind of signal light. So let's go and let's drill it. And then we need to change this kind of. So we need to change the big one because this is very big. So alright, so let's drill it again. So alright guys, as you can see, I already drill and then have a hole now. So I try and I will put already, as you can see it's okay. So now we're going to drill the another one to put the another one signal light. So let's go and let's drill it again. The another one is from here. So let's try to change. So alright guys, so I already drilled the 2 sides. So now we're going to put the signal light. So we're going to put okay, and then we put like this. And then the where? So alright, so hello guys, so alright guys, so as you can see, I have a 3 wires connection for the back of the signal light. So I will take 3. The 2 is positive and then the another one is negative. So we're going to put together the negative and then the 2 wires red is for the signal light from the right and then the signal light from the left. So we're going to put or hide to the scooter. So we're going to put here now. Down to my scooter. So alright guys, so this is the wire when I put this. So let's take out. Let's take out and then... So alright guys, so this is the wire from the headlight, the signal light. And then this is the extension wire. As you can see, I take only 3 extension wire, 2 red and 1 black. But about this is 2 black and then 2 red. So we're going to connect the 2 black and then the another 1 black from the extension wire. Alright, we are connected the negative. And now we're going to connect the 2 positive. So let's set aside the negative. And then we're going to connect the 2 positive. First, we're going to connect. And then the another one. The negative and the 2 positive. Now let's go to hide the wire. Let's put the wire here and then we'll put for the string. So we can hide it. So hello guys, so we are already put the wiring at the down of my scooter. So this is the wiring now. The 1 negative and then 2 positive. So we're going to connect. So this battery is 42 volts. So as you can see, I have a converter here at an output is 12 volts. So now we're going to connect. So first we try it and we connect the negative. Alright, and then we're going to connect the positive. I don't know what is the positive and I don't know if what is the left and right here, so we'll try it. So this is the green one of positive is from the right, so we connect this here the left one. So we're going to connect to the yellow. Alright, so we are connected now, the negative and the two positive. So now we're going to try. Alright guys, so this is the switch button. So we're going to try the right and the left. So we're going to try to the right. As you can see, it's already light now. So we're going to change to the left. So it's already connected now, but as you can see, it's not blinking. So now we're going to put the another flasher to blink this kind of signal light. So alright guys, so this is the blinker. So we need to put the blinker to blink the signal light. So this is the blinker. So there have sign here. The negative is letter L, and then the positive is letter B. So let's go and let's put it. So the negative is letter L. So this is the positive. And then another one is negative. So we need to put the negative. We need to put the LED. So we're going to put here the flasher. And now we're going to connect now. So alright guys, so this is the flasher. So I will take out the another one wire of the positive. So as you can see, only one, and then only one negative. So I already put the negative here. So we are set aside now. And now these two wire from the lights, that is from the left and then from the right. So now we're going to connect. This one is for the right. We will try it. So now we put it now on the LED. So now we will put it back. So we are already connected the right one. So let's put it the tape. Connected now, and now we're going to tap to the left one of the signal light to the yellow. So let's stop here. So we are already connected the right one and then the left one. So we're going to tape. So we are already connected now. So now from the last one is the positive of the flasher. So for the positive of the flasher, we're going to connect from the converter. So we're going to put here the positive of the flasher. So let's take out first this. So alright. So we are already put it now, and then we put the LED. And then after, we put also the tape. So alright guys, so as you can see, I already finished now. So the flasher, the positive, we're going to connect to the positive of the converter. And then also the negative, we're going to connect the negative of the converter. So we are already connected now, and then the two wire for the light, the backlight, signal light. So from the right one, we're going to connect to the red of the signal of the switch button, and then the red one of the left signal light, we're going to connect to the yellow. So we are already finished now. So we're going to fix it all or hide the wire, and then let's try it. So alright guys, so we are already finished now. So let's close this. So let's close it, and we are. So alright guys, so I already hiding the wires. So as you can see, so I only close, and then let's try it. So this is my signal light. So now we're going to try. It's working. Alright guys, so I already put it now. So as you can see, I have a signal light here on my scooter. Then to the right. So thank you very much for watching this kind of video. So I hope you like this kind of video. And if you like this kind of video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to update it to my YouTube channel. So this is it guys. Thank you for watching. Sign out.